Hello everyone, Brandon here with the Desert Rat. Got a Jeep up for sale. This is a 1986 Jeep Comanche XLS. So this is the top of the line model that was offered in the 1986 year. It has the 2.8 liter Chevy V6 engine, which is a stock engine to Jeep. I know, really strange. Has a 5-speed manual transmission, the NP207 transfer case with Command-Trac 4-wheel drive system. Limited slip rear differential on a Dana 35 and a Dana 30 in the front. Suspension is coil over on the front, leaf spring in the back. I'm going to give you guys the walk around right now. Okay, so the XLS came with the chrome package. As you can see here, almost everything that they could chrome, they did. Missing the badges on this side. Interior is actually in great condition, missing a headliner though. Not real pleased about that, but even the rocker lights work. That side works too. Really cool thing about this, the original owner's manual comes with the vehicle, and it has the maintenance records up to about 160,000 miles included. Has a JVC deck with Bluetooth, so you can roll down the street with music going. And look at that. It even comes with 2 MB quartz 8-inch subwoofers, shallow mount of course, with a Blaupunkt amplifier. It's a custom box, I built it myself. Fits just nice and snug behind the seat there. Don't even know it's there. These side vents are looking brand new. Minimum damage to the body. There is a little bit of damage, which I'll show you in a second. Even the brake lights here, see how they chromed out all the lines? This is another upgrade I did for the vehicle here. A spray-in bed liner. There were some rust spots, so I had to, sand them down. I actually had it all sandblasted. There's videos on the YouTube page, you can see this. This is the only spot where there's some rust that really kind of bothers me, but I don't do that. If you want to take care of that yourself, if you happen to buy the Jeep, go ahead. Even the tailgate handle is chrome. This is where the body damage is. This rear quarter panel here had some damage. It looks like it was banged out and bondoed and then spray painted blue. I don't know why there's red on it, but I left it alone because I don't do body work. Gas tank, I think it was like a 25 gallon tank or something like that. An enormous tank. Let's open the hood here. You guys can see the hood. It is a manual transmission, as I said before. This is your range selector. Everything in here looks awesome. Even this little light right here, I had to fix it, but check this out. Is that indicator light on? Your bed light. Bed light even works, but it's toggle up only. If you toggle it down, it'll break the switch. So the badges do come on this side. Also, 4x4 badge on the back on both sides does come with them. Let's have a look at the engine bay here. All right. So this is a rebuilt engine. I rebuilt it myself. Everything in there that was worn has been replaced. Brand new battery. This is the wiring for the subwoofers. Amplifier goes through the firewall there. But this thing runs really great. The vacuum on this thing was absolutely horrible to figure out, but ended up getting it done just right. Here's a little engine bay light. So if you connect these 2 lines right here, the little light turns on for you. How about that? Pretty darn cool. This blue line right here, it runs over to this accessory hookup. So I ran the lines and everything for it. Well, here's the fuse. You'll have to put the fuse in the line right here. But then you can go ahead and hook up whatever you want. I was going to do an external fuel pump. Found out that that wasn't the issue. But that is all wired up. Look at this vacuum container. You don't see this stuff anymore, guys. And like I said, this is probably a 99% stock engine. A lot of care went into getting this thing back up and running, and it's running great. There it is, my guys. Give you a little look underneath here. This Jeep is named Dirty Frank. Reason why is when I got it, anything that could have been covered with just engine gack, it looked like there was cattle hair, all sorts of stuff. But this is what it looks underneath here. Data 35, it even has a little tag on it that says, use limited slip differential fluid additive. So, all underneath here, gas tank is right there. And it seriously extends all the way up to there. Huge gas tank. There's your transfer case. No leaks, running just fine. This thing's for sale. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, so if you're interested in getting a Comanche, go ahead and leave me a comment or send me a message. Start a conversation. Hope you guys have a great time. Have a great day. Happy Valentine's Day.